Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and yo, this is not working. Tracks won't play or the app keeps freezing. Here's how to fix it. First of all, you need to close and restart the Deezer, of course. Swipe the app away from recent apps and open it again. If it didn't help you, you need to check app permissions. In settings, apps. Let's go to the Deezer and app permissions. Let's allow every permission. Give it full access. Let's go back to Deezer, and if it didn't help you at all, you need to reinstall the Deezer because there's only option. Let's go and install this and install it again. Okay, so let's go open it, and if even this option didn't help you, you might need to go network refresh and check the Wi-Fi or mobile data. If they are working good, just restart your phone and it will help you. I hope you liked the video and see you next time. Goodbye.